What is Elon Musk say?
Oh yeah, okay. So Elon Musk, he said he's gonna make a colony on Mars.
Lie.
Yeah. So you guys, is this how we first started having this conversation? All right. So this is interesting to me because I never heard these things before. So I want you guys to hear too. All right. So tell them about how the firmament works or how the sky works.
Well, I'm telling you people. You see, them say not everything good for eat, good for talk, you know. All who know what me I say, know what me I say. But we still have to share certain things because the people are blind. I want the people to open their eye and see what's going on in the world. After I say this now, I know a lot of people not going to like me after this.
Really?
Because me I go expose enough people and then you know I go do no research and then you know go find out for yourself. Because if I want to praise Jah, the Almighty who create land, who create earth and create man, him I go show you divine things and him I go make things reveal to you.
Oh wait, yeah. Sorry, this is a side topic, but the other day I was asking, when I asked you like, how do you know? Like I asked him, how does he know certain things? What did you say? You said like the nature told you, or like the trees can tell you. The universe told him, and that's actually true because if you like pay attention, this never really happened to me before, but I know it's true if you pay attention. If you're like more in touch with things, then the universe will tell you them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I cut you off. Keep going.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So people, nobody what they on land, on earth can't leave earth. Nobody at all.
Like even in spaceship, right?
No spaceship.
Yeah.
No rocket.
So no Elon Musk rocket.
No
ship.
submarine. Nothing. No spaceship. Nothing. Okay?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. God loved him people. That's why Christ gonna die for us. Christ not just die for us, you know. A lot of things they don't put in the Bible. A lot of things they don't put in the Bible.
We're next to a road, you guys. You guys, we keep getting cut off, and we're not sure maybe because we're saying too many interesting stuff. So we're gonna keep trying though.
They might cut you off, but we still
Yeah.
talk, you know.
They're listening through the phones. It really is
People,
true.
I'm not telling you something what I make up. I'm not telling you something what people tell me. I'm telling you something what the Most High tell me. You understand the universe? Because I'm telling you something. You see, anything you want in a life and it is positive, put it to the universe and have patience and it shall achieve to you.
Actually, remember years ago when I was speaking to him, and you sent me like a meditation that you made. He made me like a little meditation, and he said, put something in a circle. Do you remember this? In a voice note, he sent me this, like, put what you want. All right, but I'm getting distracted. Anyway, keep going. Sorry.
So, people, what she did is I'm going to say it's very interested. We'll tell you about that in our next video. Okay. But I'm try to teach you about the firmament. I think over the land, over every country, both local and international, you understand? No one can leave this earth and go nowhere at all.
But explain to them, so you're saying like the sky is, we're blocked from the sky.
No, past the sky. The firmament past the sky because the plane ain't traveling at the sky.
Oh.
And you have only way they can travel and go through the firmament unless they find we see them put it like in a flash. They put it in the movie. Like
the show Flash.
No, like the show Flash where you see them put it in the movie where you see them pass through time like one time channel
thing.
Yeah. Yeah, one time channel. If you go through the time channel, if you can find the time channel and anybody can find it. But if the most I want you to go through that channel there, the only way you can leave Earth.
Oh,
I don't know if you
this is new. I didn't hear about this part before.
I don't know if you never hear about flight 100 something. I'm not sure if I saw the flight name, but one of the plane them they go through the firmament there for 30 years. Nobody not hear about nobody not hear about the people them till after 30 years. 200 and odd people missing. And
what?
I think in 2017 the plane land back in one of them country there. And a skeleton land the plane. How is this possible? When they go on the plane, and 200 people, all the pilot, them a skeleton. Don't research people if you don't believe me. Them go through the time. Them go through the time travel. And
I
all
never know
along
of
them
this.
people that was alive until they come back in a few time then dead.
But what he's saying, because if you guys didn't, so he's saying there's like a firmament around the earth,
Yeah.
and you can't. And firmament, I didn't even know this. It's like a solid thing, right? It's
Yeah,
clear,
yeah,
but you can't go through.
through.
Yeah, you can't go through. So
Elon Musk, whole heap of them, China, Russia,
yeah.
Ukraine, they make all type of missile and fire up on it. When you hear them talk about say they go moon, and man jump up, cow jump over moon and I be like them a tell the people
Yeah,
them.
so what we think is that the reason why, like, so they have you give money to like NASA and different things, different companies, so that
a company, them
yeah,
have a business.
and they know they can't escape
They know.
the planet, but they just have you give money and give money and give
Yeah,
money.
so NASA get richer.
Yeah, so they get richer.
A business, them rate them a business people, like people them a fool.
So do you think though they're taking the rockets to try and break through?
Them do the rocket, a lot of time them do the rocket to try break through, so they
Okay.
can't break through. So what them a do now, them a try to search for the time travel.
Oh.
And this what them want to find, but that not revealed to nobody because guess what going on now? God made that for in and out. And anytime that pull, and when time God a rain down hell upon earth, and them a rain down fire
Do you
and
think?
flood. All of them storm the way you see come, them earthquake there, all of them come through that time travel.
Maybe someone already did it, and that's why like certain bad
plane
things are
did it.
happening. Oh.
The plane go through it to the pit with 200 and passenger them.
Wait, this
Me
you
I
know
go
what's...
make you Google the plane when we come off of the video and
Okay.
make you put it up in the
Okay,
video
I'll
and
post
show
it.
them.
Cause this sounds. Have you seen the show Manifest? And you guys comment if you guys seen it. This sound maybe that show is about this because it's like the same thing, but also the plane flew to Jamaica, which is kind of funny. The plane flew to Jamaica, but it went through something where all the passengers disappeared for 7 years and came back. So that sounds like what you're saying.
Yeah, but after 30 years they missing fuck.
Oh, I never heard of this thing.
After 30 years them come back and a base skeleton and the plane landing at the airport and went and the people them be like when them pick up the plane on the radio or come in and go land, nobody not give them no direction, the plane just land. And when they go look on the plane,
That is the exact.
when they go look on the plane, a base skeleton they sit on the plane, my people.
That's
You
really
understand?
crazy.
Some people may have to know what on the eye because any day firmament bus a be alien and different type of spaceship. I come down on this.
You
because
know-
guess what going? God love we the human beings and protect us from all of the other species. They think so we are the only species
No,
creature
there's
on
other
earth.
things. There's lizard people, and I actually think
Yeah,
I'm gonna.
beast too. You have some big giant.
Really?
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Telling you something more. You have two different type of firmament.
Yeah.
You have one in the sky and you have one under the sea. The one under the sea now. At that them a try. At that them a try fi break. Anybody go there so dead. On Titanic, the Titanic ship was sink. Them bridging they were going in a submarine, the little paper submarine and they met the other day, so them a try to go past Titanic and they just shrink in with them and kill all of them. And you must hear about that. I think at 4, 5, 6 months ago that happened.
I think actually there's probably more craziness under the sea even than in the
Some
sky.
big creature.
Yeah, some
Giant.
Leviathan,
Everything
some
went in the
giant
sea.
craziness.
You see everything when in the sea was small. You got everything below depths under the sea 2 times that. You see under the earth which part we live. You have a next planet under it.
Yeah, in the center of the earth, in the core of the earth. That's why a lot of things, if you guys watch Joe Rogan, he talks about like Atlantis
They
and
put
things
everything
like
in
that.
a movie.
Yeah, no, but Joe Rogan is a podcast. Do you know him? I feel like we watched him before.
I'm not sure.
Well, he has like lots of guests that say in the center of the earth, there's like whole civilizations and
Yeah,
different
man,
stuff
whole
like that.
civilization.
Yeah, because if they found stuff like this, they wouldn't tell us. Because even like U.S. government, they did like a few months ago. They had
never tell us nothing.
Yeah, they had like congressional hearings. You guys, even Congress was talking about this in the U.S., where they had different objects that were flying above the planet, and they couldn't say like. So they did certain things where it flew and like stopped short and came back like this. And Navy pilots said like they never seen anything like that. So it must be like UFOs and things like that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
He's not alone. And that's why you see America and other country they come up with secret agent, some high-tech detective, some private company where you don't see them unless something bad happen. Because them know everything want go on. What you think so then come up with the idea to make these movie people?
It's that, yeah.
Where these knowledge come from?
That's
think about
true.
it. This is not just something where a man just think about it. No, him know what go on.
That's so scary.